Hey, welcome back to D2I Training. Today's security tip pertains to installing a wide-angle peephole in your door leading into the garage. Because we tend to keep a lot of our personal belongings in the garage and we store a lot of valuable goods out there, it's very inviting for thieves, and a lot of theft actually takes place in the garage. So by implementing a wide-angle peephole, it allows us to look out into the garage in the event of criminal activity out there. We don't have to unlock the door and turkey peek out, because unlocking the door and turkey peeking out, it exposes us, it exposes our family members, and that's what we don't want to do. We don't want to crack the seal. So with the peephole, we can look, and if there's someone out there that shouldn't be, then we can alert the authorities, and then they can respond to it, and we don't have to put ourselves in danger. And so that's my simple tip for you guys, is just to get on Amazon, spend a few dollars, and if you have any sort of tools at home, it's very easy to install. If you guys have any other tips that you guys have implemented into your home security plan, leave those below. I'd love to hear them. And also, make sure you hit that subscribe button.